Shenzhen Deruikeer Intelligent Control Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of LED grow light. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. We have a professional R&D team and a high-quality production team. In recent years, we have obtained certificates including ETL, FCC, CE, and ROSE. In addition, we have more than 30 patents, including appearance patents, software patents, and utility model patents. The company is market-oriented and pursues customer satisfaction and success. Under the premise of fully understanding market trends and customer needs, as well as an in-depth understanding of plant cultivation and supporting technologies, the company continues to introduce high-tech and high-quality products. We have been constantly improving, from product development, process design, drive control, manufacturing to quality control and other aspects. Processing standardization as the goal. We are trying our best to provide customers with excellent high-performance products and responsible after-sales service. Our products are exported to markets all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We will collaborate with the technical department, engineering department, and marketing department if necessary to discuss your requirements and provide